Hello, welcome back to another vlog. It feels like years since I said hello to you guys, and it's been about 3 days. When it's every single day and then it's not every single day, it feels like a lifetime. Anyway, I am back at work today. It's the 27th. I've got the next 3 days at work, and then I've got another week off, which honestly I feel like I'm playing a total blinder here. And because Lee's off, he's just gone to KFC and we've now been delivered a KFC while I'm working and watching Once Upon a Time. There's nothing about this that makes me wish I was off work. So yesterday, Lee told me that he's always trapping his fingers in these drawers, which made me laugh because I was like, what are you talking about? You've got total control. You're a grown-up. How do you trap your fingers in the drawers? I just closed the fridge on my thumb. Instant, what are we calling this, blood blister? Not so smart after all. I feel rubbish today. Anyone else? I think it's partially just kind of like the lull after Christmas. But I just feel like, I feel like I've eaten things that don't agree with me and awful. I've never been more motivated to eat better in the new year than I am today. She says, I haven't eaten a KFC and I'm right now warming up some rice pudding. It feels like comfort food. I just want to go to bed, honestly. Did anybody else make delicious potato cakes with all their leftover mash? I don't know if we're calling them potato cakes, potato scones. I don't know. Also, you can see me in the every time I film in here at night time and I see myself reflected, I think one thing: you're supposed to have put up that blind by now. I feel like we're probably the only people. We have a lot of we didn't have a lot of turkey leftovers. We have a lot of leftover other bits from the actual dinner. And then some kind of snacky things, cheese, that kind of thing. We didn't buy really any sweet snacks. And that's the one thing over this little Twixmas period that I felt like I've been missing. Like, do you know what I really want? Ferrero Rochers. No Ferrero Rochers. That is the thing. Note to self. I actually thought to myself yesterday, I was going to make myself a list. This is how you know you're getting old. I thought, I'm going to make myself a list of all the things that I want to remember for next year. Like, you know, what went well, what didn't go well, food-wise, what I felt like we should have done more of. Make myself a bit of a bucket list. Like, there's so many things that I didn't do that I wanted to do, just didn't make time for, didn't get around to. Hardly watched any Christmas films. I thought, I'm going to make myself a little list for next year. To kind of refer back to. These are the things I want to do from the 1st of December or from whenever I decide Christmas begins. And that's a really old thing to do, isn't it? I think my grandma used to do that, make a list for the following year. It happens. It sneaks up on you. It really, really does. I have no problem with it, to be very, very clear. It just, one day you're young. And the next day, he's just making so many lists. Crisis averted. Found some fudges underneath something in the fridge. If you're at all interested, I wrote a blog post earlier today before I started work, just basically talking about this kind of weird in-between time and those of us who are feeling a bit meh. If you're feeling a little bit like that, if you're feeling kind of a bit flat after Christmas, you might enjoy the read. It basically outlines something that my mum used to say to me that gave me a bit of a get out of jail free when I was in a bad mood. Like when I was a kid and I was grumpy or maybe not misbehaving, but like just, you know, when you've got kids that are like, that are just kind of, what's the word? Like they're just grumpy, they're in a bad mood. And it was something that she used to do that I'm certain a child psychologist would take issue with, but I still to this day think it's fantastic. And I do something similar with the moon now. And since it was a full moon last night, I thought I would share that little nugget of the dog did not appreciate this. Share that little nugget of mum's wisdom. If you're feeling like letting everything not be your own, like putting that responsibility on someone else, not my fault, and clean slate. I know we're getting a clean slate for New Year, which is great. Also, I've been thinking about going to the beach for New Year. I always think this, and then on the day I'm like, I cannot think of anything worse than leaving the house. But we're going for dinner with Milo on New Year's Eve. So it's not like it's a late one. I'm kind of enjoying the idea of a fairly tame, maybe even in bed before New Year. And then seaside. I'd like to go to the beach, be at the beach on New Year's Day. Does anyone else do this? We never do anything. I was just saying to Lee, much as I've enjoyed my 100% permanent working from home, I'm really looking forward to a new routine of having to be out of the house 1 day a week, which 1 day a week is nothing, I get it. I leave the house multiple times a week, like I do the school run, but I live in my house, and that's completely by choice. I could have gone into the office, but now it's being forced once a week. I'm quite looking forward to my routine changing a little bit and it just pushing me out of my comfort zone, because as it is, the negative of being home, which I would never push because I really do love working from home, but the negative of being at home all the time is I don't really want to go out. I don't really want to do things. I want to stay home. And even things I want to do, I don't really want to do because I want to stay home. So maybe on New Year's Day, I'll specifically, it's new start, get it in quickly, go to the beach. Now I'm going to settle in. 16:25 is not the real time. I have it set a little bit earlier for the games that I play because I tend not to be able to sit down and play till like really late at night. And play Palia, I don't know. But if you want to join me on here, this is my name. If you play this game, that is my name. You can add me and we can play. What day are we on now? We're on the 28th. It is Thursday. Back at work. I don't mind this, everyone being home and me having not to like go out and do the school run and stuff. I don't mind this like working upstairs. I think people sometimes, you just like everyone in everyone else's space. Everyone is now in their own rooms in the house. I think everyone's a bit over it. Everyone is the word of this video. Everyone's feeling a little bit like overstimulated, although the kids have been playing together. It's a lot, isn't it? It's a lot this period where you're all together when you normally wouldn't be. It's like giving lockdown flashbacks. But today I'm back at work. I'm actually thinking I'm going to put a little bit of oil in my hair, give myself a bit of a hair treatment situation. And I might go for a walk at lunchtime. Definitely feeling better today. And I know that there's one particular reason. I took my painkillers first thing in the morning yesterday and I didn't eat anything till like maybe 1 or 2. And I was really groggy, like that, like you're a bit tired and a bit miserable. That's kind of how I felt in the morning. I was just kind of like, And I think it's because I took my painkillers on an empty stomach. Because today I didn't take them in the morning and I feel so much better. I definitely need to look at that for next year. I'm also going to try to be less dependent on them for pain relief next year. A huge goal, resolution, whatever you want to call it, is to become stronger. Like in the areas where I have the pain, I have something on underneath this. That look like I didn't, but I do. In the areas that I have the pain, I can strengthen those areas and like do my stretches and stuff. And I'm committed to next year. I'm also going to try and start getting in my steps again, just to try to encourage myself to be more active and move more, and maybe partially it would be good to do that, just go for a little walk at lunchtime, maybe even just a walk to Starbucks, or also I maybe need some fresh air because yesterday was a real downer. Fresh air might do it, and getting dressed, all of those things. Feels better already, just like oiled and slicked back, put on a little bit of serum. Got a bit of a post-Christmas breakout situation going on, but we're dealing with it, it's fine. Now I'm gonna get back to work and I might just go for that brisk walk later. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are, just sleep through it. If you're feeling really low, just have a nap. Be over soon. Back to normality next week. And if you're having a great time, fantastic. Love that for you. I will see you guys in the next one.